Hey, welcome back guys. Welcome to AnonymousSushi. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vegan roll. It's going to be a vegetable roll pretty much with a little twist to it, like my style I guess. So today what you guys are going to be needing is some fried asparagus. So this is from my last video that I made. I actually just cut the asparagus in half. It's the same process, same step. I have a cucumber and avocado. Okay. So that, and then you're gonna need some rice. I was again struggling getting white rice, so this is brown rice. And then you're gonna be needing some seaweed. Okay, so let's begin right away, guys. So now let's begin. Let's make the roll. All right, so I have my sheet of nori with the rough side facing up. Okay, and then I'm gonna take about the same as I normally do, a nice fistful of rice, which is around 95 to 100 grams rice. Okay, so I'm going to start from one side, and I'm going to work my way across. Okay, I'm going to bring my rice, drag my rice down just like that. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to take it, flip it over. Okay, I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to put my ingredients inside now. So, I'm going to take my avocado. I'm going to take 2 pieces of avocado. So, 2 nice pieces. I'm going to put them right in the middle. I'm going to take about 2 pieces of cucumbers. I cut into thin little strips. Put them inside. Okay, and then I'm going to take my asparagus. And for my asparagus now, I'm actually going to place 3 pieces inside. I'm going to do it like this so that way when I make it, I can have the ends showing a little bit, so it's a little bit more eye appealing. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to take my thumbs, okay, and just roll over with the roll, just like that. Once that's done, I'm going to take a little plastic actually and put it over this. The reason being is I have my bamboo mat, but it's actually not wrapped in plastic today. So, okay, so I'm going to tighten the ends just like that. And once I do that, after I do that, I'm going to now cut it into 8 pieces. Okay, so if you aren't a fan of meat, this is something really great that you can make at home. It's very easy to make, very fun, very delicious, because it's just sushi with vegetables inside. Yeah, and then once you guys are done, this is what you get. It's a nice little vegetable roll. Okay, and for plating, so when I plate this now, I'm going to put 2 end pieces just like this on the end, so it looks nice and it's kind of showing. Then I'm going to take my sushi pieces, plate them diagonally, just like that. Okay, and if you plate it like that, it's going to look really nice and beautiful. And you guys get a really nice, beautiful sushi roll. Alright guys, thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to make a nice little vegetable roll. Yeah, and if you guys enjoyed, please click down, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this to anybody you guys know. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time.